Ewo Techiman, and again live on SOMPA 101.1 FM. Ewo Fakwa. To you, our cherished listeners, always your craving, your indulgence to be a part of the show. Remember, sir, you be a lines to tomorrow. Numbers are mobile phrases sort of 0260 196064 0260 196065. And again, upaswari comment biaba with the Obama modern panel of your Facebook Eddie Mayenga. Ya baji bre na u commenter would be bring no na ya ken Eddie Amawo na kai say so ya Eddie Brewe. Ya wo aboafo a o maso ya sene ade bia dada no ya de show no ebremwo Electoral Ghana Limited. I want to call Ebusia Ubenya Electronics aye papa as and when the show unfolds, you know, become some Eddie Achro live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM against Kaiser Lexter Company Limited. Woman no makofa Yars toothpaste, Yars toothbrush, so Eddie Abajaman so. Almost in the Oboboy chidom kese pa sa yere for God and country dwumadi no pimu be bia wo biaro medima for herbal center Dr. Time daso medimo kase woboso omoso yasene kese pa sa so na Time herbal mixture me patcho etidi yade weduma to a ntimi ndidi chese onje nwanje a me patcho Time herbal mixture and abeka wasam edi amawo. And of course, the latest baby in town now. We are talking about Techno Spark 40 series. Techno Spark 40 series. Menemuka say, almost asre pass yedi juwedi brewo. Now, and then my guest in the studios, Yenya Wofa K, or the new patriotic chairman, London branch. Menemuka say, Wajina kunya de da watna say, Ra Michael Mackenzie. Or one of the leading members of the New Patriotic Party, Menemukase, Wadoso Namkwanso Woba, and Roger Wells speaks for the NDC, managed from the NDC National Communication Team, Menemukase, Wadoso Eba Filimuha, and then we Komodebeye the dead Nakaibio say, and Komoa and Ne Edabamaswa, Yebe dosum, Yebe rim. Niya pusa no me pacho nano memeda MPP amanyoku osunu kesiero ayade womo National Annual Delegate Conference no womo edisheshe so what are the issues emanating from this conference ebusuya just join us na enewi na sankobo ni nyina ye ne undi live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM ti bebia obiano enko bebia. We have lots of issues to talk about, but I just want to walk you through some of the commentaries. Of course, so nanu ada wabra MPP amanyo kuodum wamudi enhyiemu kese ewo University of Ghana Sports Stadium. And of course, this one is coming from Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. As someone would to Ghana say, leaders of the party must crack the whip to maintain discipline. That is what Dr. Mahmoud Baumia is saying. As someone can say, one more dinyam brasam our party no muno or see a pequan be so near your mofa. Now discipline, ne pepe your a yetuma our party no. I'm just some way when they are now unity, discipline, hard work would help the NPP win 2028 elections. And also have someone waka said, and perpetrators of Ablekumanov violence would not escape justice. Was it nanwa die yekotoaba ewo Ablekumanov rerun elections for the 19 polling stations, you know. One more chinkro be bro abono. One say one more ba mu asankro one more enfan chomo. Now assassin with you. And na be Abotchie's voice, you know. Me questions be one maybe say bisa. NPP remains committed to inclusive growth. Now, but one kasa asami honorable Apenyo Markins and Edison Komoe Ediatuja. Victory is coming for the NPP in 2028. Was a victory is coming from the New Patriotic Party 2028. Honorable Apenyo Markins, the minority leader, the mighty minority leader in Ghana's parliament, 9th parliament, one also added this assembly Etuja. This is the time to rebuild and reconnect with the grassroots. Apenyo Markins and anywhere I can. Now, where okay? And I'm the who says, he said, no, MPP Amanyo Kuno, woman, bread, papa. No individual in the party is bigger than NPP. Apanyoma kesi ready to joke. Now, as some way, no, we must reclaim the spirit of unity and share purpose. Apanyoma comes out with this one, and we must end the hate campaign and subtle acts of sabotage. Hate campaign. Is it really true? It's happening within the New Patriotic Party. We are set to find out today live here on For God and Country. Our SOMPA 106.5 FM. The NDC's betrayal is glaring. What betrayal is he talking about? NDC is a failure. Ghana deserves better. Afenyobakin says this. Hey, NDC is rebranding our achievement as their own. What is about Karo? What is the NDC for? Niama wamu ye papa jidado. The NDC for their farm wamu say wamu enomu ye. Now when you bisa say niama bempa enomu ye. MPP is not a broken party. That is what he says again. But let me go to the General Secretary's comments. We are suffering after the introduction of the Doomsday levy. Hey! We are suffering after the introduction of the Doomsday levy. Ghanaians wants to return to the NPP. Hey! YFK! Ngomo say Ghana for pass see apa ya kase koto aba. O ba say Ghana for beto aba ama NPP ama yuko na. Where's your commander? Live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. No. Eye amanyukuo no ebomoden edi motions baako 56 and they call a conference center na say. But out of the 56 motions, a dear 54 and a conference Niji mo. But there were some speeches also. But I just want us to take a lesson to dear SOMPA FM. Wow, I think the voice is I don't know, there's an error in the voice loading, but we'll be getting back to you with a voice over here. So please stay on the show and Kobebia, because we have lots of discussion coming your way today. Live here, SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. So the medium can say, your friend me Abotchie. Your friend me Abotchie. Now Abotchie there was honorable your friend is a former majority leader. Your friend is honorable Oseiche Bentabunsu. Or see Aboki that Jennifer Queen here. I idea be done as a Jennifer Queen. I idea be done as a just say modern pa now voices on the bar here. Now just our voices your body navy. I was SOMPA 106.5 FM. Tibaby Obiaro bombarding Nakosu etieing. Na me GDP says the utieing the obenye free mono idea about womb and come on yeba bedino ababebre and ebe free mo aba. Tibaby Obiaro, just relax and make sure you take a lesson to hear the conversation today live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Quickly, Maminko Patrick Wada young walking you through the motions and anwada ebeto wabra MPP, the National Annual Delegate Conference. Not also Patrick Nibakwaba
Prof Mejoso
na apom to sing
na miadum
ye nyamidi adom yen nyamidi adom yen hey baba God great onyamios.
That's right.
Sapam tv 2 coin na wasade maba hey
we can do go
make catch nyami we buta
okay.
Baby out tibia na catch on say catch nyami say nyami we buta
onyamios
great onyamios ye dada say now the conference no go be ase
conference no me ko pia ase bi
Prof
na domo eboba ho de denje ize we senior man ko pia ase
what is senior man
senior man bright na denje ize cra
denje ize
but ya de nyame ase say NPP political party no omo timi the conference na ba nyame adom empire ye boy wa ha Friday na nsa de ye be kodu prof ka say Friday de empire pa
e be kai pa
empire say bibia anko jojo mayen na nyame adom bibia nso ko jojo e mayen ama omowie conference na ma bibia betodwa kama na sanya wudi ka ye no conference no nyenti omuko share ni 56 motions omuko dwendwen ho omuko accept and omuko reject concerning the party ne niam omobeye concerning the party, but out of the 56 54 were accepted, only 2 were rejected. Yebe walk through etiefo na yehu nia e course nyina na ansana meko 54 emotions nim no prof mame fa nko conference na subim the conference no omaja tum say the electoral college of the MPP be expanded. Oma expanded electoral college nim entesi ade oma biem on the 21st of January 2026 na omo bekoto oma bayi president ni we no oma bie electoral college nim sisi a emu ayekese pa na mame walk you through the expansion no na yenhwese ne akosim sisi ano NPP as a political party no oma bie omo electoral college nim se na medi ka kan na say na abe include ewomu sisi ano the electoral college is going to include all former members of parliament, all MPs, former MPs, they are going to be included in the electoral college. And I feel so all former parliamentary candidates are going to be included in the electoral college. And now all metropolitan, municipal and district chief executive MMDCs, they have also been included in the electoral college. And now all card-bearing former ministers and deputy ministers, they have also been included in the electoral college. Again, all members of the National Council of Elders and National Council of Patrons, they have also been included in the electoral college. And now, so regional and constituency patrons and elders, they have also been included in the electoral college. The last on the list is all TESCOM coordinators.
Yeah,
they have also been included in the electoral college. And the prof, when in Crofwa, almost expanded electoral college, you know, do account. They see how the electoral college, you know, my baim. It has been expanded.
What's it? It has been expanded. Wow.
So catchy now the brofuna last one. Into my beam, now they expanded. Now
what buy baby anymore? When was the last time we buy baby?
Oh, when no pay your baby.
Oh, you. Yeah, that's how much you.
Baby, I no pay. Oh, you. Me that's it. Haja
do you know about
baby?
Oh, sir.
Eba na hot. It's na say me bies na me baby me mucho. I said, "We are not doing hot now. On to need
Okay, so
prof,
yeah, patu.
Patu. Me do another bochi kakra. I'm just fully with That's right.
Let's get going.
All right, so prof, send you the kakai. 56 motions, 54 were accepted, 2 were rejected. Now, my main count 2 now rejected. You know,
sure.
Now, Sunday, I call 56. No, if you ain't to me, calling you because I beg for no.
Oh, that's just two.
Now, motion 17.
Yes.
The motion 17 is shifted suspension, supervision of polling stations and electoral area elections to regional executives. That was the motion 17.
And almost
Montias.
It's a regional executives. Elections. Grassroots. They didn't buy a power.
The
whole stadium.
And that motion 54. Motion 54 also a reducing party youth maximum age from 40 to 35.
Youth no say then.
And also here.
One say empenyimfo bi wo nyi. Say wo mo di 35 na.
Ebe yom si nche. And almost say no so dear. Oh boy, la. Yeah, cheva bo be sa di we mani ma. Yes sir. MP. Did jania did emuna nenam. MP. Ntu be sa di emfa. Enti prof, mienu we and delegate conference no on the 19th of July last week omo koye no omo aboto gom ti menu we die we ye dia danko dada agree we dey emfa
but what him say early congress no ebeba so
early congress in beba
31st January 2026
beba so pa
na sir was a amendment no kra den no kind obviously it shall be held 18 months then before then okay you have not seen it
Mary no motions no doors 54 a dozen but Mary along now Mary and the prof no 54 and no more accept here two ni there or rejected and the no ne asema say the new patriotic party call congress no omakogia tum enti eno any asema edaho enti prof major now ne wa begafo enso atoa so afri ha ba me bonkwanche ha enti do be busa bia me wa ha
all right okay ha como idie mami kora me bacha bara kwaba what I get to say?
Me Mackenzie.
Hey, sorry, Mackenzie. Oh, what I get am as well.
Yeah, say akaka no do.
Michael.
Na minia NDC. Once na wa she coat. Sure, some go for it.
Misconception.
Any misconception there.
Well, that
the enrock am new share.
Oh, I'm fine. Oh, I mean, let's say.
Coat and
the person came to share me 10 years ago. Push me 10 years ago.
Oh, master.
That's a Mr. Quota.
Quota and one share. Mammy cannot credit.
Mackenzie, meet you.
Michia Matiefo.
It's here for Johnson.
Na Michia NDC for Mampeni, Yera John Mahaman. So. Na Minuaki to a better hand man. Ya Michia Mammy.
The first woman.
Mammy. Obapa.
Obata General.
Obabe na uchiano.
Patrome mame.
Professor Jenano Pukwa.
No.
Oh.
Now a choice.
You see?
Maybe what's your problem, Roger?
Oh, Roger, see ya Suban say no dinamo. This for Suban almost inside there. And ya dey business and so. Na them the better because Oba no na you say me call Bema me dollar be their shame but into another major media akwaba akwaba ye twaso and this is for how you na me mama na sebe I don't know cry my as the vice president of the Republic of Ghana enti samanchiana na me ya aye a wrong thing
sure
so yes me chame mama na ya danya me say for a very good health so nyame de ne koyo asande na ba and then first day amira modema
sure
now I say meniaji because
dentra
no I think you have a nice studio and you're bad cry because Kumasi na mkoshia
bright
Uncle Bright and then say asan be shia wa ha
sure
nyame enka mo ho no mama minu anso akwaba
which I met 3 times
it's me chia because in some man back for $100.
Medase so ma bena mending komo we mbra sisi ara wonto aso ye kwa amaro so na ye ya bema oye MPP chairman for Thermal West binu ya kwesipoku edin komo kakra kwesipoku ye ba kwa baba for golden country so
we so na no we stadium television
na no na me near around me to kwan na me near around se bibia akoye de
oh ye bibia ne koye sa ne makakra bi wo ma nka dane ne kakra nte babo bat nyame ni dodo na akoye dodo na de koye ba enye ni nyina na koye sa na ka bi mu a anka eno so koye a na nka wie ni peye kra oh okay before you be mu no mama mbisa your overall impression about na another conference na mokoye. okay, the organizational course, branding, was good. I was fortunate to be on the transport committee for the first time. Cars no be any problems. Bus sediment was good. Food, abundance of food was good. Anyone getting security for was geared towards one direction. That's why I have a problem. And anyone getting you see, there's too much tension. The maybe people read meanings into it. I mean, you're just and no go show my hair. Okay, but
okay, so he had said security was near good. That's just said sin talk a cry about na sin to benya.
Me condemn as one of the advanced team members of Kennedy Japan. I'm a vice president, but we saw it. When Kennedy, any Brian Eber, as if now we are they were subjected to certain scrutiny that when you want to say, Kennedy Japan in MPP without knowing. When he was entering, some videos, resistance by nobody gave any reason why that resistance. And then I made to say, so say everybody who was with Kennedy at that time, move trained had accreditations. The other people were not the party for nobody. So I was expecting that accreditations, and I look at the way they were frustrated Kennedy. And they catch him say a few idiots. Ghana for say description of a presidential material. They are born as some cover so the man was there, he was harassed, he kept his cool until later they allowed him to enter.
Now, that's a serious statement we are making, saying he was harassed. In what way?
No, there be video video. It took like 10-15 minutes before Kennedy could enter the main VVIP stand. How come? How?
What was the reason they're saying?
Reason he paid it also. And when we were coming, we were not giving numbers. When other candidates were entering, I saw that people who followed. Every main gate, His Excellency, a whole bunch of people, 100. And they did enter. I saw it, I was standing there. So what is it that Kennedy paid in the so what was it that somebody, if you've not seen the video, I'll send a video for you to see.
But some have made arguments, sir, you share a year, you can't mamping abedichi, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Is somebody, for now we can say he's a statesman. He's he's had a feel of the presidency before. For that reason, man, special preferential treatment.
Let me put it in proper context. His Excellency MPP because there no way he was the most senior person in terms of party in 24 and statesmanship. I am not comparing the two, but I'm saying that in MPP hierarchy, Kennedy Japan is a big boy. When other people were entering, we saw it. So we are saying that VVIP launch, any problem. It is not where Kennedy sat is what we are issuing. When he was entering, the resistance that came is what we are talking about. Where he sat was not the problem. Party arrangement, statesmen, council of elders in the party, be a council chairman, who you can aspirant, but maybe tension. The little things people read meanings into it. Be a leader, you look at all those things. Now we are moving and
okay, so Ukachem said the little things that happened there, no. Now a man for reading meaning into it, and meaning better now more reading into it.
That somebody wanted to frustrate somebody. It is Kennedy you are come and take up your piano and bubofu. Yes, yeah, you are prepared. In the coming days, I go see the Electoral. Also, you are prepared. We knew something was going to happen. So we are prepared. You just at the point of the Gunechi, the Kennedy you know, and you saw your videos. You think Kennedy will have kept quiet for this little invisible boy to be pushing him around? You think Kennedy will have agreed? After you prepared him, that look, I think Canada also deal man penia. It takes I have got to say thank you. So, presidential material, then no display or
Wow. But I also heard of the facts. Honorable Kennedy Japan and Brian and other aspirants, they were not given access to the inner perimeter to at least have a wave at the crowd. But they have shared videos now. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia who is one of the aspirants, was given that privilege over the other presidential primaries aspirants.
Yeah, can who start by saying, sir, will be a statesman at the end. Meaning, sir, statesman, meaning, sir, Akubadu Bank. Don't have to Akubadu by a senior statesman, meaning, sir, man and Park in Subia. President Kufu is senior statesman, meaning, sir, also on the program. I have to be a committee member. My auntie and I'm a say Mobia on anti Park, so I never throw be me. I never saw on the program. So let's somebody justify. Say at the next meeting it was agreed. You see, me now I come and say there's too much tension. There's too much tension and a rumor mongering there. And the Ebasia, me can Abia and yet the and I'm here. But people will read minutes. There will be other reading minutes that are there. Oh, just and the it's the opportunity. You are here.
But I'm sure that Dr. Mahmoud Baumia here. But I'm sharing on Facebook, and I'm saying you can go to Facebook and have a look at the videos over there. But you think, sir, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia or Chia MPP Adishia Ewohono, he was making some sort of campaigning. Do you think that was what he did?
You see, politics na no. Me make me reading me say mo catch a crowd and say yen na ya to say baku we na eko. I can read my own meanings into it. Obi so be read it out to say ye dey kire say yanka say still I so on to aso. And then you see from the a group of people who start here say you can maintain. So what is that? Activity has been rehearsed. So everybody can read his meaning. So don't do things that will bring any AEBR into at the end. Let's give everybody a level play. Whoever wins, nobody be their Komapa could do be. Mahmoud Baumia only cannot be the president of Ghana minus Kennedy and the rest. Kennedy will be over here. It's me and for reading meanings into it. Yeah, but I can't. Presidential already a statement to about where you say, no discuss it. It's simple as that. When you don't do that and then you put this trigger as surprise, people think, what said that? Maybe someone said that. That is why me have a problem. But in any case, anybody know about 5,000. The farmer for only 200 and something thousand. The whoever 5,000, I don't hear it. From the job day grounds, and all this while, Kennedy has been the grassroots president. He has been the only person that they all come from for. And the farmer for who they are so far. The farmer for some one.
Okay, so per the program, the aspirants Obian Kasao.
The Obian Kasa baby. Because me say about Kufu boys. You're born another voice because I'm told they are on medical treatment. You don't know. And the go be catch them say, "Obe kasama and another umpan kameja to sing." Leverage man no stage. Meaning he spoke as what? Meaning because if the former president is there, the former vice president, the former president being the Kataya. In who program ayakwa is the former vice president Kasebi Aliu and Kasebi Mantida. I don't know why somebody did that. I mean, no other than I'm up for.
And you feel, sir, it was deliberate?
Everybody, me, I cannot confirm, but stand and imagine me. Me, the imagine, stand and imagine me.
So, somewhere who can say, I could see what no. Do you see, sir, it has that kind of tendency, sir, a Kambomuna mo pedal as a part, any juma.
Oh, and Kabum, look, I am with the man. Many Canadian VIP. Many I was with him all the way Saturday and Aju. He was fine, he was cool, he understands this game. He gave even him the opportunity to prove to people that he can work under pressure. Kennedy that know. Any harassment of course was on. Gavati again one pin over on the Gune Chica and go for some Munya but say that be on because you come be. That even gave him now he gives people to see the other side of Kennedy. Say him every time he fought for the grassroots. When it was about him himself, he kept his calm, his cool, and then finally he entered. So for me, I see it as an advantage for him to demonstrate the other side of him that people don't know.
I see, sir. Earlier conversations are many or encounters are many on this conference you guys had wished that early congress na ebe basono na enya dia mobojo so that is it top down approach, you know? Now, Mubu and Shedan Juso, and you were planning, say, vehemently, you know, you were going to resist that early Congress thing. Then, went to me and resisted.
You see, me, because we were told that a National Council to me or set date for Congress. I'm saying justify the constitutional mandate. Almost say a opposition 18 months before, and to hear date in the and I just say, in any case, let's put on record, Kennedy is not against a neck decision, but he felt that there was an orthodox way of doing things. Or Kennedy and neck, Obenya, Obenya. Any panel you go top down, you go then Butiroma number 2. So somebody want to put a certain agenda saying Kennedy a stroke there be. Me go see I speak my mind, my opinion, and then me getting the general idea of Kennedy. But I want to tell you that Kennedy is ready for battle, is ready for contest. Kennedy is not scared. So for him, he said what the grassroots are saying and he's ready for battle.
Mackenzie, sir, Uni Mackenzie. Was it? What did the original chairman of Johnny?
Oh, Naka. Not all against you here. We're not educated. I move on to Airport National Organizer. We're not a police station. I move on to the president. I
Because
yeah,
me patcho Michelle.
I want to say you.
Nyamia do momina. Na patcho na pese me bisa say now you're a member of the committee here. Then na mukofa J Kufuor any president, former president Kufuor ni old tips number ball wa de na say na yanchi me anya zoom like zoom video bia ampo.
Okay, let me come in to put on record say the recorded tips and your old tips. So what I say, I have pre-recorded tips.
But your pre-recorded mean tell you.
A pre-recorded didn't say, "Oba kasa mo ba Congress."
Present anya no go na wokan.
Now the old tape reading.
There be no pre-record a time of president na. Yeah, that time of president. I know you get.
Oh, I don't know my boy. Oh, because me him say message na on the buy, you know. I a messenger. Because mobile air conference into almost said I'm on kasa. No one recorded, no more bebo.
Me de my dream no. Me feel say some penny for in omubu anju ni ana ye no so. Enu nti no decline your mama. Because Jake for you be a anko beba. No matter what.
You see Magandi?
Yes sir.
Me see your papa Kufo our medical he. Let's even any do say dey change no pe. Enu na Kennedy ni Brian Echo neck. Ntomo ko service nke tube fie eba na wo tube pa. Nke ye. E na mo body propaganda tu mu say. Omo mi enu person mo say conference no. Nti edodo on say. Oh, that is why edodo on say yem ko ye. No problem. But nke to be proper say. Nke ye from of phone to you record you present it happens in the they are speaking about. Now go for the message or by.
Oh, I was confirmed to me sir. Former President Kufuor Kasana womo ball ewa de that no na tape kasa bia waka etwem didadida na nye current.
Oh minya let me speak on another day on the voice another kaze mudi mi call back anye ye eno so mi propaganda mo prepare go for drink na anye ye but mo see na ye no fititi ye do be go bio na now do not if you no ni fititi eno so nobody prepare go for drink say ye do be akobi anye ye no fititi ye ni mo bi ye ni obi so fititi they are preparing people's mind and so atonso anye you
all right question my fan come on see why
yo
na be on from me
cause my Thursday mommy Thursday why Yeah, sense in your mercy and
okay.
Yeah, I tell my Kelly, who may be Ojina. Also, who may be Ojina. Yeah, come on, that's all neutral sport ballot. Neutral.
All right, that's fine. I wish I for SOMPA 106.5 FM for God and country. And Uti, like I say, Yenya Bema, the constituency chairman for Thama West, Yenya Bema Kwesipuku, and that is Meneno Edin Komo. Yeah.
Now we'll try some bebo tape.
Yeah, may try some bebo tapes, you know.
May catch up with a fact and a point. At the time, I era Vice President Kasano. All the media stations, on my mics.
They muted it.
They muted all of you. That's why it's often difficult to play the tape. Oh. I'm telling you with a fact. So not feel the hot year no. A pen and no money kasa until I won't the papa. So ni amo record do ye ni na no. Why is ama? Opa mo money 10 times everybody. Mo mon na mo hwe se beba. You see, a political party. And this if one more me bebre. And they ntumi mpo nka ho asem.
Yeah, but maybe Sarfo video no boy ba. Yeah, but he tells us that or just sound, but
and say so pedikasi mu a emma. Enya mo nkwa na monya this
challenge.
Yes. A lot of media stations are complaining about it. And that day I was there myself. I was there, so yes.
All right, and but for me, even I mean more phone, so say, remember, fab David, who they are sending me. Okay, but make sure say a boy, a beba, because
your phone so a beba. Now, more cause a stadium one. That was stand, me boy.
Yeah, they stand.
You people were connected to that feed in our norm de mamma. And you feed in the moon, said you now we feed. It's already done.
Okay,
that is it.
Matthias.
Feed in the moon, Diana.
Yeah, Matthias.
Me to all the media stations. And on nearby field, and so it be maybe a munya.
Wow.
Yes, that is the truth.
Okay.
Well, you see, and some be saying, I am Pessia Betna media no more be can say.
But what share?
But you go and when mas.
But what share? That not the Dintra.
I don't know. I mean, I quite say your part, you know, a quite be a bear say nipa we near didn't be con and one on bay. January 2026, about to a coach, and come here. Ye Messiah home. Say Sanku go na ekodi no. Yet me a chance impo ahwehwe ye ho. Ebisa ye ho say den na ye beye ye.
Na say Michael Kwe report na say abetodwa ma mo ahwe.
Mpaje beto ho ani.
Amunya unye hu bi.
Me menti bi da.
O sa.
Menti hu asem da. Enti if up to now Michael Kwe nsam ekobisa bisa no ye nya hu ya eden pepe hu ana ye pe. Ese Yankotu aba, Yankotu John Muhammad Abe. Yankotu John Muhammad Abe.
2028, that's what your general secretary says.
Sir, okay, sir.
Fine.
At this time. Near Kosui.
Oh, then I cost.
Baby, on your show say, or per se, your party opposition for about 40 years. What you are doing there, son, because almost it's a party, I ne basa. Baby, I don't need almost say no cry.
Mackenzie,
I'm telling you.
You're a member of the party.
I'm a member of the party.
Well known, widely known.
I'm a say mini and this in it here. Let me kick away. And so Mecca.
Roger, Mister.
Roger, men from home. Yes.
Roger, please. Please. Mackenzie, what about Patronity?
Yes, I say, when near Sebe Yamia. Yes, it's only penimpo fear due. Ye ranum yenu onda so tiase omuye na ye best case ye congress at this time ye conference or whatever na ye ranum ye ntumi kran from e wo tape ɛwɔ phone so ɛnti ɔma no kasa ne mu rather yɛkɔ form old tapes and akeka see anim and ɛbɛbɔ ɛwɔ stadium mo and I think say obi feel say bia wayɛ adeɛ wabɔ ne ho mmɔden ɔyɛ mafia now yɛ mafia for how long yɛkɔ akɔto about 2020
Mackenzie, this is not to cut in but to also add a voice to what you are saying. One say yɛkɔ akɔto aba no ebi mu di by say mo kɔ conference no on say beto dwa say enya adeɛ a ɛyɛ yɛ kane mampanyin nanado na de bo enjo so na ompesa ade no say early congress no ɛbɛba so any conference ya nko yi ɛbɛba so nanse on say na de bo enjo so
yeah
ɛna party empanyinfo ɛbɛma ɛtie ase say nanado a communicate to them and to the whole of Ghanaians say on their own car sembia. Now that is a point. Say what is idea no edit to dia esi huna. It would confirm say in someone allegedly a man for kase nanado a can say the ninja hono. No way.
Now so just all the media stations will judge for themselves. Well, apart from say be obi beka say media man fa mani anko bebisa. Once there mato me boase am pese me kasa no. Me pese Ghana fo ne MPP fo ni na eti ya sese. Ye party na njija asa nkofu kuo bi kakra bi eno mo adwenbone eno pese omoma ye party no. Sebe ye sanko hwiegu.
Nkofu kuo ben.
Eno de omo nom koye conference.
So you are talking about the National Executive Committee members?
Because the point is, and yes, Uncle Fuko we mana omo say date. And me to about last year. Omo say date.
Now, presidential primaries.
Do they have as at now? Say with our constitution, they have the mandate. Meanwhile, how many times do they have say date? To presidential election. And yet this executive siane go on from polling station to national. Oma no mo. In just catch him say and then be a former chairman. Now make me out to about. You are not being fair to me. If some care election at this time, from polling station to coordinators, constituency, regional and national. Aya onkasi Jeku 4 time. Onkasi nanado. This is how we did it. Inti yakoba se nekoye den. Ana edi anho prepare. Ani yepe wana sebi ota yechi NDC for airpam ye yana ede mikatuo na yetu den yepe mo yesa matimemu fo mpo adwenen se bibi wo ho no ye kopra afadie nanka ye lose election. This is the time that we have to sit and reflect and know say where did we go wrong. Then we start visiting every constituency. You put together polling station for a year then a year campaign amuna mama. Come how and share. Sabi and pen bebre yes say ubi some me masem nam to me poor me heart echewa Santa and pen bebre if you up to now we've not done that. And then prepare 1 year pray say your baby to NDC for. Then a year away ye fee. NDC for no mution. As at now, they are not our target. Ye fear some na ye target. See a benyan kabum, nya ye nyema ye. Sabin somewhere koso ewe NDC. Ye bet me aso ya bekana. Ye to me because ye yanka say ye fear cry ye ye. Ani ye no troka. Ana nkofo bi person mu chese na ye di to me amom. Nanka mi bi so. Anya nkofo ko bi ana ekọ say I think say about 16 region. And the Cambo say I'm supporting Nipa Bako. Maybe so.
It's your pa.
There be a journalist and to win make a prof. Nipa code sa Nipa for na that's what you number beto yera so ababu. And then what are you telling me? Say your plan thing no more ya. And your polling station executives no more ya. Mami mi so.
It's your pa.
And your regional executives here on now. Like to aba
make I
neki ya woke enyo man no mo
amwa
you can say national conference full enyo man no mo
amwa
enyoma. And say if at the end of the day, these are the same people to abayi nipa bi emre etwam. Now so almost say up to now what the mandate to do what they have to do. Then what tells you? At the end of the person yeshisha party ni bio. Nemum odona nank ye hwe no ebesan ba ye party ni mu. Nyina no chairman kro na ye beyi no no. Omasan form neck foforo. And Sunday I senya another committee on beshe date ebeto aba. Not the same people no more hono. The almost to say obia because your constitution say anytime be able call
early Congress
no party in my 2 years.
Yeah.
My minister as of now you were just 7 months. So the question is, what is the rush for? Say sabi enye nipa kuo bi timu po say yenko say party na den ti na yesi ye pentem den na John Mahama yenti ye pentem abegi tumi no. Me that's my question. And he say ye feel say
but JFK akasa mu be to John Mahama 2028.
They be dey go to John Mahama 2028. So fie nya say nya dey go to John Mahama. Ufi atete apansam say ya say nya dey go to John Mahama. Sa donna na ewo party ni mu no. Say don't ewo en fabio.
There is no love in the
there is no unity in the party.
Odonim
bra.
Nkabom ni.
Ebi ni ho nankasa nkabom wo ma. Stadium modern see ya. Impenifu a omayo madwenso na betu Frank Ama party. Sabi omanya akwanya esanse omunye former vice president. Understand? Your former vice president the kasawi ya no. Then no media nanka me madwimu no. Anka former vice president. Ebeti ma friend ni nuanum na ne bra mu mpenifu ani ni nuanum. Sa mumra na yanka mum yanwavu ye manom titititi esuru ho no. Yankyere omo se esuru han kabom wo ha. Enti form no so nkam humum. Then ye hu ye. Ye wura ye hu ye vice president. Se wasane okasa wie no wasane asifom na mum oye campaign e wo fom ho na sane the party. Don't you think sir we've deepened the wounds of other people?
But we are sure so oremu no it was just a wave. What was the campaign?
That wave no where did it start from? The campaign yan is saying yeah, campaign say
oh chair party ma
the chair party ma san the chair party ma omo ko akense ni bia omo na ni o general secretary na mo say another party na no okasa wie no twe no ko gina baabi enti e den na umoma nanke ye hwe so de nkabom beba amaye ho atoye no because media to me that was what I was expecting to see. Say era Dr. Baumia anka
Ethiopia.
Yes, anka said okasa wie no obefre ni nuanum nyina because omo ko akense no omdoso omo more than 7. Nanko afro mu nyina nemu and that shows the leadership. And I think that would have been the best campaign for him. So no the open kabum. But then what did we see? Minimu dear say of like Abubo Mudimpo I don't know. Now then somebody become like so can yana ayeding. But you see you do baby say Chan is a tracker. Nanga say be fire party metro abonti anyway. NDC for one tis animal we womb. And so they be MPP 7 months as we near my party muda.
Now sir I don't know. Nanu Amuko and say you are rebuilding the party together.
And I'm saying rebuilding. The conference was so good.
Okay.
Incident free. The police, everybody. Everything was excellent. To me, the mafia game be a neko kosono. A good say and penny phony beyond person to Francano. Sabe, discipline ebo mumu ene makasa bi kra bibiri dodo omunya I don't know how to put it in the tree ahoshesuo bi obo so omankasa enya sanke honum nya de because obia wo na titafo
sure
obia wo bi enso man sorry enti obia kana ntutu yesi am obi nse obi atade ma enso ebinum se ebinum atade ba ho.
Oh really?
Yes, which is not fair. Yefi wa akono se wutie for my me ya grassroots person.
Okay,
and in campaign be don for me street chairman. Yes,
good.
Me ekwano so na mo enti ho na medi magro enti ya no sa no yet nsem pa wo fom ye party ni nya nika bio ye party na ye nimu no enya kono bio and this simple ani nim se be om ya tutu asemfo eno ya de om koye bi kakra bi wo ye kan say
ablikman of free run
om san koye bi nemo enum poni emisa de ntina om koye sa omadwini mu no ye ni omo so ani ni ye ewo ye kan say
ayawaso
and then no de omanya de because and obi aye now so baby a krono ye nkoye ni etumi de che nemo omo ye sa because no fo say ye ni omo ani ni ye because all the committee a omo te no de ne ko si ya then ye catch omo pray we NDC mu no we left them like that. And definitely, so no sunya kwenya bia. Of course, no be the same thing.
But Dr. Mahmoud Bami has said, "Say, Samunya kwena moba bemwa. Those perpetrators will be dealt with."
I disagree with him.
Why?
I disagree with him. We should not preach peace in Ghana. Don't do things that will share party mano like who can be to a mutrim. Or let me ask, is it just a political talk? Just to win favor from the people? We should stop it. Nyan kan sempanche Ghana for. Yes, it's always a big can. Ka sempapa chenkro for no. Nan tom trim. So bet ma be boom mine. Catch them so oba mom so 24 hours. In so in trouble mom like 24 hours. These are what the people are listening, are waiting to see. Not anyone you could see your blick man also bounce baby. For what?
So Mackenzie, you feel early Congress now over corner 27th January 2026 31st January 2026 ufi say samuko na mutu aba na muyi Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia you can't win 2028.
For now I don't know. I'm not ready to answer this question also.
Mackenzie.
Roger, me more busia.
But among the presidential aspirants, one of the best suits to lead the party for you?
Maybe will be a better Abamani would have been the best person. But then, if we don't preach peace and bring the party together, maybe a year to see the true be a sign yes say no be a winning no. Sadia na ye no emboa ye party no ema ye ndi ye. Now look, and I make an ye ndi so I'm penny funny don't be okay. How many obi any case? Oh, na masa. No, look I come there. Yanum sign come there.
Mackenzie,
I'm telling you.
Look at how fresh you are.
Oh,
how gorgeous looking you are.
Because I'm a businessman, and then I'm a private person also.
But you can't tell me say come there.
Because you, a bit man shas here in Tibia. Mini anuma mini omo from hono. A combedium. A combedium.
My voice not me.
A combedium.
It is a castle and a comedy.
Roger, me mountain. Wow.
Oh, I mean, look, seriously. They say me niaba. Me also be ba can crew.
Ah,
yeah.
Sir.
No be can crew.
Na boju ma mi ka.
Roger Nyabutre. One say ene no wo. O maduane na aba. my indica the
party in Ghana.
Ghana Nyabutre.
And I'm over Ghana.
Nyabutre. Roger Nyabutre mama. We must all come with some we don't be some.
Oh no, but serious, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, let's be honest and be fair to ourselves. Ghana and the
but office said the current crop of national executives, you know. Sometime past, I had an interview with Chairman Bute right here, and Oka said all the executives, including him, must go
because what kind of creno?
And he feels say there was someone in Ako.
Me from day one, I say all the executives I said and your ferry been on ferry. They should have put their offices down near the work election as an executives. That's the moment you lose support or see ya. Mako share and Chesa Dianina in ego. And then you still want to steer the affairs of the party?
Money any internal mechanism bia. With me at the addressing concerns rather than say, oh my yana in some way, but shemu mana mudia babonting.
The best address no, and can say yeah no. And you say your best starting from your polling station. About coordinators, about constituency, about region. Near you a national chairman, any national secretary. Yen me say who say, and no son on ye na. Omo to why ye count massimi. Omo nom that's what you.
Okay, so ba me na me kwa amano so na me the third national vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party, Alhaji Masawudo, Dudu na friend the chairman Buga ending koba. Chairman yade.
Lafia, kana lafia ko.
Wala ina lafia.
Ko munguda.
Mungude Allah nde. Da minim se chairman mo wie eye mo annual national delegate eye conference no. Na I don't know sane ekoye ma wo de.
Daddy kan maminchia SOMPA ATFO nyina mecha ya party mpanyimfo nyina omotimi ba agimadie kase we ye ne nanu Saturday mecha our polling station executives, electoral area coordinators, constituency executives, regional executives, national executive nyina omotumi boa na sa program no baye ohwe nano na NEC, the National Council the second decision making body of the New Patriotic Party etina say na MPP akuku danfo na omo sa NEC and National Council decision no omo take sa decision say na no Saturday no yembe ye delegate national delegate conference take place at the Legon Stadium.
Yeah.
So ushe sa program no anasa ajimadie no ye wo honom no. The power of the second decision making body of the party no NEC and National Council no pay a constitution no one mandate to select the date, even the venue. Maybe ye program no national and NEC and National Council na then let's select it and nipa bakufo. So ushe sa decision no eba no na ajimadia ye awo stadium na no Saturday no me amu as a national officer of the party no me kuma to me yam delegation na wa ho se ombia ebojuso sa program no mpayefo ni nyina uhwe MPP akukudam ni nyina wo ho except Yewura Kufuor, the former president of the Republic of Ghana no wa tukwan kaka yasra I need any permission from Kufuor so Yewura, the former president, Nana Adedanko Akufo-Addo, Onosu Tukwan, Onosu, we are aware, I'm the chief of staff, the former chief of staff of the Republic of Ghana, Madam Freeman, Onuneba Ebeka, Asem, Na Yewura, the former president, Nana Adedanko Akufo-Addo Bekano, or the share, Yewura, the chief of staff, the former chief of staff, Onunebeka, yawura Akufo-Addo asem. So uhwe sa national delegate conference no there. A conference a conference ni wo didie say the party no unity beba aside the king can beba e be energize a base
okay.
Na inshallah 2028
okay, so allow you 2 quick issues. One, voices of former presidents now some of your party members are saying say old tapes of your living ex-president. Why couldn't you?
No, because enya time bia ukura wo studio no enya time bia na obia pese okasa. Onnim by that time no onnim situation nipa no wo. Say situation bi nipa no ontimi nkasa ngu fidie mu na embra ana aye bibi wonnim. So nkonfo omono efa sa kufu ankasa awo fidie mu na omo bono awo sa conference no enu ekire say kufu afil party no ana.
But chairman, this is a serious issue because before the conference your former president President Kufuor na ne nije ho na nado likewise and also no ebaye or issue some press release to say only there on case na nije ho but say people are thinking say na in some way they can buy and say o ninje sa early conference and for that matter the early congress slated for January no na sanko for no mudi kan
ma min ka jaw say party no the new patriotic party no a party governed by constitution. Now your party where and yet say party no da all so ana a station party. Now for omo the best for because of personal propaganda and the say omo entry ye panyinfo menu we omo na no enkosi bone no. I mean, Kaja say the party is a party taking decision. If the NEC take decision and the National Council take decision, nobody in the party as a person, whether it's a current president, whether it's a former president, even if during Nana Addo Akufo-Addo time, or yeah, the current president, not the NEC and the National Council, Obiani as a flag bearer, no, ube winning unless we use the legacy of the former president John Ajogun Kufuor and the legacy of Nana Addo Akufo-Addo a campaign.
Okay, so you hold it there. Miro Mackenzie Ewaha, or yeah, and I still former chairman, one of your former chairman of the New Patriotic Party. He's here.
Former chairman, Mami Hun chairman,
former chairman,
regional chairman
Medina, former chairman Medina.
Why Medina constituency chairman, now police station chairman, my chairman by Mami Hun chairman. Mombo the title ni ye na hunu MPP or constitution. So a police station chairman.
Or your constituency chairman. Mackenzie, Medina ho, Mackenzie or her ono dingo. Mackenzie, is a question.
Chairman.
Yeah.
Me pajet say.
Yanadum.
Me pacho.
But we no about constituency though. Either we are current chairman now we are former chairman.
Me a former chairman.
Meaning in Kasa because no constituency chairman and to me and questioning national chairman. Party, we yes are who frame me from phone.
Alaji, carry someone.
Oh yeah, me constituency chairman. Me no would interview.
Okay, so thank you. Well respected. Me unim say me pacho. Well respected. Alaji. Well, okay. So I am sorry. Well respected.
Let me tell you.
Let's make progress.
I am the national officer. I am the national vice chairman, the third vice chairman of the New Patriotic Party.
Sure.
You can call me for an interview and you refer me to my constituency former chairman to be questioning me on radio.
Alaji,
call me, I will not pick your call again.
Alaji, thank you so much. I respect whatever you have said and I apologize. Alaji.
I hear. Carry on.
Hey, Alaji, need a kidney. Well, like, no, Karaka someone kurikebani. Kaka jifushi. Someone kurikebani. Okay, so Alaji, but as a person watching my Jesus, so well, only somebody will give me a woman, but I want to walk you through this one too. But I'm not for say. Dr. Mahmoud Baum ya buy inside ono so no. Na I say na oye campaign. Na other presidential aspirants mo kwan amomo so ambe wavy crowd no. Eno so alaje anu ye ne den.
For the clear way for the avoidance of doubt and propaganda ekoso. I will say currently you need any flag bearer hopeful or anybody being the flag bearer of the party.
Okay.
Currently, Obianu Oye flag bearer hopeful, Oye wine Yanibia, because you become the flag bearer hopeful if the party has open nomination and you pick a form, file, pay your money, and you have been approved as legal by the constitution, and you become a flag bearer hopeful. To see, you were only the former vice president of the republic. You need flag bearer, bia, and I open nomination.
Davy.
What is it? Ako pick for Afale?
No. So people shouldn't misquote the party or misunderstood what the party constitution is. MPP for whom say. For you better me govern this party. That is why almost choose you as national officers of the party. So, the person member will be anti say as at now me no cano. Yen obia to be qualified for presidential hold. Who could we see we what do we look at we are presidential hold. Why never chill? But you become a presidential or presidential hopeful no. I say who could pick form. Party now open nomination. What pick form? What fale? What you usika? Party no examu. What ko interview? What ko? Omo interview aya bibia na omo yede na omo approve. But then we will become a presidential hopeful. So assembly wo ho anakasa bi wo omo ntimi single nipa baako. No kasa na monja dia kano. But as at now, the vice president is speaking on the capacity as the former vice president of the Republic of Ghana. On kasa as a presidential hopeful because vice president when you're presidential hopeful, he is not yet a presidential hopeful for 2028 because MBA nomination on PK form via. Oh, but Alaji, he has come out publicly to say that he would contest for the 2028 elections.
Eh?
I saw about out publicly, I can say 2028 elections, Obaba.
Coming public, when him say, we conform to me publicly say, oh, me contest it. Actually, none of them contest it. And you say, and yes, sir, constitution na ya ajmo. And yes, sir, uba abontin say who contest it. And no grantee will say, definitely. You are a you are a potential aspirant. No, the party has to open nomination, and you pick a form and pay your money, everything. I'm a party no you are to say after there you become the presidential or the potential presidential hopeful. And no, ama sa munyina pick form to say Kennedy pick form, Brian pick form, Aduchum pick form. Adenimo piki form, Ajaku piki form, Baumia piki form. No, Munina converting at your Muska party now approve Munina, they become the potential presidential candidate almost at the campaign. Now your program. Now I see Baumia Kwan Kasa. Now the Akano no Mukasa. And no dear Obia better be question party. Even we those who do that the party better be questioning your credibility. But as at now, no, nobody pick form. Nobody is a potential candidate. We don't have any presidential candidate for now. The only leader of the party now is the national chairman, 7 years team. So today, Vice President Kasa, he speaks as the former vice president, the capacity as being a former vice president.
Very well.
Yes, so gentlemen, your program with president, former president, new not vice president, because or what you need to be contesting. Now, conform issue, what you need to be contesting. Now, I say the former vice president of the Republic of Ghana, no, on Kasa.
Okay,
yes, sir.
Yo, Alaji, thank you very much. What in Chiremu Eddie had to job, but me Jawa Marco na some America you know say well I in Ankurini. Kere
Ankuride Muna na Kagaba. Mamin Kacha said we have enemies of progress in our party. People has been paid by the NDC to come and spoil our party. Our own people has been paid by NDC to come and spoil our party. This time around, no, to me, the Mrano, maybe Beya Ajima, papa, Obia, or flow to the constitution of the MPP, no, who suspend the person.
Alaji,
Alaji, propaganda, no, then flow in the party.
Alaji,
yeah.
Na ono say or chiao keke, ebi amina me huka. And I can say a question. No, so person chiao. No person. Say Alaji ya kenwi. Alaji ya kenwi enfensi. But in common any say nanka. But you say kazo gidamu. Mr. Alaji, you say kazo gidamu. Hey Alaji, whatever so akana wo. Alaji kana damen you. Wallahi ben so akana wo. Maka is your sort now.
Alaji.
Okay.
Me your sort Alaji. Alaji. Me your fan back up. Because me can say my campaign na so increase kabia. So don't you don't jam for tuma.
Yeah.
And don't tell na make you. Why?
Oh, for God and country. SOMPA 106.5 FM. Mami kona me ma Roger Wills. Come on with me monkey be say mami ni chairman.
Mekabi.
Oh, mami ma chairman akwa. Roger.
Mekabi.
Na beka.
Now, na chairman
Ure mami ma chairman akwa ba nti. Ure me ma chairman akwa ba do ma ba so. Debi, mama akwa ba. Me ba. Ure me ba. Oh, Roger Willis. And this is for saying I'm with you.
Me hojo obi ani say me hojo. Come here me down.
Now say one account. But also fortunately we have Wafake in the house. One the new Patriotic Party chairman London branch. Wababe kan sawa ha. Chairman me ma kwaba.
Me Jozo bu na mo want to say.
Yeah, we pa.
Na me UK branch chairman.
Okay, UK branch chairman. Thank you so much.
Our chapters mako about verse 21.
Okay.
Some of them are information, but we have chapters,
sure,
or like constituencies that are under the branch.
Okay. So and in the party who brabo UK ho under your chairmanship, it is saying
party no brabo UK branch is so vibrant. Metimi akase me buy yedika kwa menchia omwansa menchia me party mpanimfo a me no mo ye adwuma na menchia ya nkasa so yenso ye party mpanimfo a ewo Ghana ha omo nso ye adwuma any party members nyina ititrupa UK for no menchia omo nyina omutimi nso eba conference ni bie me executives no omutimi bae eno nso me dawo mi gina kwanya nso dawo mu nyina nso ase omubabo ye chidom me bae a me be so party ni mu no na mesi enka no kre ya adwuma administration we ya adwuma pagem MPP UKD ahweta babia. In terms of even election, we were one of the best team by intimidating numbers and kasa free UK bar from every year juma.
Wow.
Resources in terms of say resource party
for the program
pickups I the
during the
elections logistics, motorbikes and so on YEF UK and I cabo mu say aduma me ba yi utumu se party no anigye wom odo wom ankasa MPP
we dey nyabotre me ba o che MPP UK hono ye ko ntia ho de odo wom
no krani odo ye ntem papa ye taji ho chinyi kakra but overall I have brought some kind of a different style at all say nipa no ya nyina no we get on ye co-programs ye bibia together and in fact MPP UK ho ye ba
that's also that's about for the conference and issues are popping out of the conference. Roger, akwa baby you.
Abochi, ejoso.
Na bibi aboko de.
Oh, me kra be ka se be dwa.
Oh.
Bibi aboko over the other room.
Sale eju mu tisen. Oh shade, Roger from man no.
Oko conference.
Debi media. Mimi dia na Debi enfanche Debi bacho fama no here
fama no here but me kwa meji me ko steady
fama me na me kwa me fama obi
okay
na me nim say UK 40 asemase o Abochi
yes Roger
baby am feed e boko na ehwe mama before I make asakra no mama mfa kwenye so enchia the president of the land, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Yeah, na minchia na bedi che so Professor Jenna na opoku ajiman.
That's all ejuma.
Ejuma.
Untinenka.
Say onze ononye empty barrel until making noise.
Ati Jomama kasa o kasara, you want to say so empty barrel.
Jomama kasa.
No, but so you don't talk like that.
No, anti me pa say.
No, so you don't talk like that. To withdraw.
Okay, my withdraw.
Thank you. You are a gentleman.
No, I'm a perfect gentleman.
Okay, yanko eti na shekuti yanko.
Debi na antina ka me chire mu no na wo say.
Debi wa no na fu me. Me ba choko.
Ode mame yi. Mame manka ni sa.
Me ba choko yentraso.
Ba mo matna ba.
Yanko.
Enti yeah. Amintia Professor Jenna na opoku ajima. Na Mr. Chia, your party chairman, General Mosquito, me can Honorable Johnson. I see you in Katia. Na Mr. Chia penifoni na omode omonyan san yo mahonde ebo o mine chido. Na mincha gana phone na Mr. Nchre MPP phone say 2028 enie ati omutiten. Enti bibia boko. Na atsemba kwa enye boko
denga
and things are falling apart in the MPP.
Denga
Things are falling apart.
Niema benza. Obako conference in Kabo mu ye djuma.
Enti won say ade ba kwa me yane say nimpa eyare no hu esre say oyo okay eno anu mu na mana pa
no wa ere
mu no wa ja say nimpa de won fo wa o ton yare na we nya ho anu aduro na se wo de yare ne hye wo hwe na wo fon saa before be hwe na fon na wo ko what I say MPP party no eja tom mo ma engine tum omo ka san say omunim say like omo fractions in the party
o kasa address me don't address them
they won say
anti
the party say omo hwe sisi
so menim na kasa
omo bo me chidom what I say it me ma ati ase say omo me brought me nim fa so na idiote me be nkuso omo ni na beji atum say the party has fallen into shambles. Chaos is sim. Me ntumi hu say na ka me woska hod mo ahun ye ma dwen say ka me call Nigeria call other things fall apart book no me other bia mo omo party executives ni na because omo hia because in such a delicate moment anka omo hia say nko betena onom e de nyama bi atoto akwemu na nko mafa bibi mu aba na nko motu anamo ayewe no e de aboa party no anka omo mbeye na kasa conference was supposed to be something that will bring unity but anamo omo tu we mom no won na make a kyerɛw ayɛ sɛ eja yɛde ewura bebree egusu na ɛsan de petrol gum na yɛde bibia bɛ kata so sɛ mpɛsɛ obia bɛ hu
wɛrɛ misrɔ ma mi ntwa me ho mra sesia
wɛsɛ otwa ho
ntwa me ho aba sesia why me misrɔ
Kweku, minim sɛ wayɛ hye me koraa mannane nanso ɛbɔ ne nhyɛ wo ho a ɛmba so
Malehon Sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but double don't support as a condom.
Manufui Electoral abeja near the money I'm a punning in wait Thursday 10th April 2025 Ryan showroom for front Kumasi Techiman Kwana so
Yedi Roma sorry dino and that's a backside Nidia Nimshe
Roberto Samsung TCL Media NASCO TV AC fridge gas cooker washing machine deep freezer home theater microwave blender kettle rice cooker and any ama papa can win now when baby it can for baku 50 ebenya 15% discount any achedie it Roberto adie can who na senya
Kweku, minim sɛ wayɛ hye me koraa mannane nanso ɛbɔ ne nhyɛ wo ho a ɛmba so
Malehon Sepeno. Ebony condoms comes in different flavors and available in all pharmacies, chemical shops, over-the-counter shops, and pubs. For bulk purchases, contact 055-230-0075. Ebony condoms, Ghana's most pleasurable condoms. Make it worth it.
We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate. We got peppermint, strawberry, vanilla, chocolate.
It only the view is a condom. The condom mulia then it's not on, but double don't support as a condom.
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene efa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo siremu woje ho ba bia enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia baso bo ma gine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu gi international awards ahodo wo mu gi local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bia gi 21st clinic nkwa wo mu de bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama de ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha sese ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa nifa so wo frama saman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540-311-311 0540-311-311 There's a 21st clinic. Still, woman is sciatica expert.
All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM market. You are for God and country. And we are live on Facebook. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. You can share the page so your loved ones can also have a feel of what is going on over here in the studio. And again, yes, also you're live on SOMPA 106.1 FM Ewa and again live on SOMPA 101.1 FM Ewa Thakwa. And of course, we are also on the multi-TV Digger Box. SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra, Obetsi Yeng, and also that's a kind of we are also live on YouTube. YouTube SOMPA 106.5 FM live Accra. So that's what it is for God and Country as Guso in studio. Yewo of a K, no of a K still the New Patriotic Party's chairman UK branch or Waha, yeah. And Michael Mackenzie and also one of the leading member and a former constituency chairman of the party is also here. Yeah, Roger Wells, member NDC National Communication Team, so Ewaha na and asemwa ye boho enkomono ye. In some more APPF, the New Patriotic Party's National Annual Delegate Conference, Nano Saturday, a course. So, my man can say, ya one phobia one so ya sene, and maybe I edit you no brew. The kind of a Techno Spark 40 series. A bushans over phone, see dear. We were taught Techno 4 later series, or the Abajaman to a Techno Spark 40 series. No, we were talking on Facebook or a so slim, sleek, and the Charlie. The speed in the dear come up and the picture quality a dance so pa. Remember the Techno Spark 40 Pro, slim, stylish, and it's ready to flex wherever you go. Bet me the phone, bet me that flexing. It's okay, maybe I want for the back on flex here. I am common because system now for the new styled Techno Spark 40 phone. Now call ding, now call flexi, a clean, a powerful. Now the picture. Hey, guess, when I am up picture quality. Remember, some person grafona every man good picture quality with your videos. I would be called TikTok and Jessica. A Techno Spark 40 series. I was right. You can call 0303 980 205 0303 980 205 and I'll call TikTok at Techno Ghana. Techno Spark 40 series are slimmer, stronger, and it sparks everywhere. Techno, stop at nothing. And again, we also have time herbal mixture. One so much and as in the way I for God and country you be the bro. But you sabre weather no I say when you kakra. Oh and I say I want the wuti pow. When you basa kakra. Me but you bombarding passes here. Na kope a time herbal mixture. Time herbal mixture come up. Mponu when you want to wuntimin didi. Na anu ada na obi catch him so untimin didi and I'm catching say uncle pet time herbal mixture na time herbal mixture no me no hu after no obi also so I say when ya rashes be e de gugu no ho o che say nemunsa yade ma men kana sa and our immune system no I say above for monti yare bi e be bo obiaro na e de wo sing but your time HH mixture and then the capsules so dwaman so time HH mixture and in the capsules as we German so me pacho that time HH mixture and in the capsules opo ye be ma da so bojume ye pa na tam no ma e ade be boa wo na kai se makidika catch order say time herbal mixture there a prophylaxis so auto edisi ho na de bia no ma e ade a e bo ho ban me pacho bomoding na fresh 0244 417 669 0244 417 669 like I say obia timi enum bi na wo ni kire drugstore pharmacy shop bia e ade a won sa e beka bi Dr. Time daso hey Dr. Time daso abrante do obejuma bruta me dima for herbal center me bacho sempo no henia na ye wo ba be bia be hye wa yase ye say no fibroid say ye si kire yade endwodwoye emuja broso wo pese ofa efuru kokodu nya we need to ask dear papa me pacho Dr. Time daso ebeka wasem e de amawo sempo etidi yade na ekwetia wa me pacho Dr. Time daso ebeko yade na de amawo che say onu asem o kan na say o yade no time daso obesa amawo enya de a wo ba ne nche obeka se kona ba ko obema time obesa amawo wo pe na pedeng Dr. Time daso ebusu abetimi afro mo 0244 774282 again read them on 0500 727 Pukwase wamu wa mayira na uhwomu kumase so a omo ebuakwa agogo wamani government school ni edi hwe ni mo Dr. Time daso the Lord is our ultimate healer na mpacho soro no pada ba twetwe osia e wo sen twetwie ni mu no be pacho bona kope Lexter Company Limited womo aposia wodi abedwaman to ai kama pa e dia dudu na frɛ no no eje Yaz toothpaste Yaz toothpaste ebema osina fite Yas toothpaste so nti pacho say Yas toothpaste udi twetwe usi a wonum ye twetwan twam ekropo wenum a ha ebekum kro ni nyina na kai bio say udi Yas toothbrush na dinya de boss dia na we hwe baby ankola ne pepa because it's stylish ti bomodin pass obeko dwaman so no beto aposin and a toothpaste dia kai say a Yas toothpaste and a Yas toothbrush me pacho betimi afre 050-161-9588 I won't cry how open so to be a tonwa aha for number way 050-161-9588 what will come as Shannon so 050-139-0338 me pacho ya toothpaste kaba pa na Electoral Ghana Limited oh Nano pa Electoral me buru aho omuni ma no o ma tete so kama say who Electoral Ghana Limited me patch up electronics and the border from kama pa dia Electoral Ghana Limited say Nasco say media say Samsung say TCL product remember say Electoral Ghana Limited TV be out here air condition fridge, washing machine, kettle, rice cookers, microwaves, blenders, all the electronics, you know. But I told you not go down some because Abraham no say dollar here for me. Ni TSC. See, kwa niaman electronics e boa bafom. Na ko to ade wo hoso a you ma 15% discount. And no cheno so you watch dia ye de ema wo me pacho bomoding na so Electoral Ghana Limited for product na nhwe product na very durable e chere ye wo to na chimato bi bemu na o de kwa ya be je ni asesa ma say ya ma be 2 years warranty me pacho hwo mo cha kwan wo fechiman bia ne kumase kwan ne de hwe ne mo kumase wo mo Castle Junction Tech Junction and Crane wo mo dental barrier Dantuman roundabout industrial area no bia ne Malcolm Plus ne de hwe ne mo they have offices at Sinyani Mankasim Cape Coast Takrade and a Tamale me pacho bomoding na 0245 9494 95 0245 9494 see ba in studio na kai say ye bia lines no tuma number be phrase so 0260 196064 0260 196065 Roger Mpacho etio
yeah nti as an American MBB party no things fall apart center no can no longer hold because base no almost feel said their voice are no longer heard and then they feel betrayed maybe happening the customer now the pain and the betrayal of some elites and a group of people are almost per se almost use some machinations and I say almost tilty decision towards an angle. Boom, in political science there is a theory here. It talks about what do we call it? 1 minute. I want to read from a document here. What is the person mechano? I say
document Ben source man or no?
A political theory.
Okay, political theory.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's you know. Maybe 1 minute.
Hey Roger.
1 minute. Maybe.
Roger. Okay, 1 minute.
Okay. Participatory democracy theory.
What does it say?
It like has to do with giving everybody an opportunity to participate in decision when it comes to a constitutional mandate or constitutional grounded steps. Are you getting me? And what in Bakura Ocho and Nidindi Caroline Patman or say the argument they say for democracy to thrive, all members must have meaningful input in decision. What does it? All members. Now, Oshe, they are also right now in the helm of affairs. MPP for democracy in Muna. I have a few individuals, a more entrenched position. Omo per se, umpio, omodi check grassroots no, omodi like omo person force it on a grassroots, which is making them not happy. It's party as MPP as a party right now it is not attractive. It is not a welcoming for young people. It is not even their own members now. Maybe Penity has a Onyaya Kobefi MPP no. We film crowd ne create film physical being na home. The whole UK crowd to quite one no. Ana What just
Roger, me patrol it you. So don't address them, address me.
No, Abochi. We are having a communication. We are learning from each other. We are trying to touch so that ebia can say we no bia chairman offer and say obenya agent sakra.
Ya be okay, say person be ma metima be kakra hotam kakra no me. No dey nya be.
Omnim so say opese ofi party mu ba be join am kam ye tu fu say ko afra.
Roger, please.
Okay. It as American here, omo so rigid with their decision say omo skew adeno towards an angle. Ebia ni say o share videos there course. O say se Kennedy Japan mu and deserve some bebe fa 51 mu bia. Omo contested last time. Anya bia Fragbera no leader former contestant you no leader of the party. And asana mu constitution eka. No. Once according to the election we lose no, it is the party chairman and still a leader. It is a ngofo opportunity among equal chances. Now obia mbeye de obeye I didn't know you na one thing. On person mo di ba omi aba. Na mo dia kan say mo ba 2028 no. Mo am nko fo no ko mo nim say 2078 grand po enye possible. In the voice of Baumia. Omo nkasa kra mo nim. Say enye possible. MPP party way. Omo ko ji to me way. And a secondly, Crapon Moonim, Chesa Moonim, Nipa Mobile contest in 2028.
Na say JFK can say Mobile 2028.
JFK say Mobile to Mahama 2028. Which is a wrong fallacy. Like, what do you think? Mahama will contest in 2028. Why be sound? On contest in 2028. It is a whole dream Munube to Mahama, but we also the Bahomia Babe to Mahama 2028. That means a woman misplaced priority. You don't have vision.
Or say the win power 2028.
The win power 2028.
Yes.
A visionless party like this. A party that where it is based over supporting with scripture basis. Upa be last me read
name man ko Bible no.
Is that me
say name man ko Bible no.
O de me nkom we need.
Good.
But the American say party no omonga zanga right now no omo ye I say ndwan ahwete. What you say? Now instead of Uber clock omo e de omo abebo mu ayewe no. Epenifo no still omo sakisa koka we free peaceful conference obi edin security eco muski omo prevent omo from one video bi na bi kwa kasa security guard catch say jina on na area. It's a clear indication that we lose respect.
I don't be na bi o senge sa no mo catch no.
Me tie video no aboti why
be okay na make catch no.
But they are all ti watch video ni bi there.
Me hwe.
Okay, me ma hwe video no. Ena my brothers too na omoti ha say no omon ka no krepa anti na omotumi catch o say party no atentia pasam
there be Mackenzie na akasa me pato
also gitum I put it to him. The American say MPP party now as it stands now what they contest Grassroots crowd win ni
also the MPP hiring
party no as it stands now
what they
contest Grassroots
in school
crèche crowd win ni na party way
ewo crèche now not even in the secondary high school
contest one.
But that's a serious statement to make.
Omo ba o mi understanding 1,000 times so me lose 2,001 times.
Really?
I'm telling you with the current leadership. Moza
Mackenzie
me to you be penaman abasa.
Okay.
O dey for abasa e be yemo. Masa abasa ye de be o say this you
we twi na o kan wo wan tiase
Matiase omo no mo pe na abanisa abasa o abasa mo fanya me na abasa o say me tin fa
sa o tiase me ba to
ma me chira ma ye fanya omo ye de be omo nde e de o china e na me ka chira o say omo me pesca na ma things fall apart mo ya hin memmo muni na 1 copy omo wi a kingdom of omofia the way it or say it is fractured falling apart. That is now mo fracture we mo betimi aso omo timi so what's the nyama bi one mo ebu ayen so na MPP no also move some more track record of breaking down, rebranding and coming into what they should be doing at right now no? And I say looking at right now and they say omo be hwe the level or the extent of damage no mo san kokukom no mo nko say sisi ya yakosa san edin yen another paint na mento no mo fambra say bia Ghana for be ye but current leadership no na kamina me ye omo chairman ni organizer ni we na kama resign omo wasa for money kama resign omo ni shame party kramut me from person be man Ghana so party political party mut me hwe so mo pese ye di oman Ghana party ye gunu Ghana for go MPP party la omo ye we me ko fa ho the evening before MPP pa na do masa oman Ghana ye dia oman Ghana ye ni na ye dia so mo mfele se omo pese e be ka o asema uti fie bum na e ka o asem too much na mo pa ye den utu iti mu pra mu ko bie party no waga na say Togo so omo say omo pe change so a eno so say bia mo pe so amodo ni be hwe Togo ana Côte d'Ivoire eno no de e be boa mo nko funi bi so te French UK ni
ene de omo asem na aba na wo kan say you His Excellency your President Mampeyi 2028 onko bio ko menya ne say Johnson say don kati am national chairman
me say obi a be hwe mo me say me John Baumia can beat me in an election, presidential election. I'm telling you. I put it to you.
Who support you?
Me say me am it hey.
Who support
you?
No, mami here.
Me say NDC the me ba. Me Roger TD Wales. NDC the me to as a flag bearer. Me hwe Baumia left right center back.
Me that say.
Obenya less than 18%.
See for mami.
Enti obia yen de beba. Obe wini. Sebio ya de mekraba me wini it no dia also mo ye ni say you cannot go into an election or into a race with a fractured leg o go to America ben
me da say Roger now saying in Canada Roger Wells okasama NDC me da say pastor wakasa but quickly I'll be going to your papa of a K we do UK a new patriotic party, you know, one or your Mukendini or but I want to acknowledge Ike Asante with the comment about Beji Breni Akekama, Maswood Kumasi Bantama. Will be reading your message. Emmanuel Abebio, so thank you very much for the message. Pedroa, hey, Edimbe Krenia, Maldina. Madina Cruz, Yabakama, teacher constitution, and the like messages. But the people have said, sir, and as I see people, the JFK, the General Secretary of the New Patriotic Party, some of the other NDC for no, and as John Mama Memuno, Ghana for so Woma Bridge Mama, now 2028, a year dear, a year MPP Bedin Kunim. Me patro Udin saying, but more than Facebook, well, assembly daho. Na koheze that can the wadwin ye wugidi say NDC a otiso sisi omubu aman no amemu no ayade a NDC enya konobio to the extent say yekoto about 2028 aye MPP ebe wini ana. What do you think? Let's get your thoughts right here on our Facebook wall SOMPA 106.5 FM Accra. Chama yema kwa bebio
eja mejuso bru
yo na conference no hu nkomo uti commentaries around one kasana wo hobby na office bibia course no ekoye de
the kind the organizers are organize a conference no enipa domo a eji twi efri wiase babia e de bae ma ye na onyankopon ase se utimi ma bibia ko wano ma ne ye boko na ankofa oyenne bia anfa ma. It was in fact before the conference now hwa obeka say anhwe ya ye kokra e bekwa akokunto kwa ho. That is what I felt. Say the pressure that was mounting, how people are a bit angry and money adie na bia na bekwa ko haye kakra, and adie ye call ya anunti ye call ye conference no was say Yewura Makokwe ne committee na yete no omo recommendations a omo de buy a omo kan ni nyina bom yesate ba kunku say Yewura Frank Davis enso ne momanim na omo hwe ne a yebetimi ayi wo mu a yebetimi aboa. And so mutimi kruche sa ne mani nyina de gunkrata aso ma yenya 56 pages. And no ehon komo na ikodi for me I thought say saa nkɔmmɔ no a yɛkɔdiiɛ no akyinnyegyeɛ biara ɛma ho ne nyinaa ampa mo a mohwɛ free TV so ɛnom ne baabiara hu sɛ yɛtumi ɛfa no maako ɛpresente kyerɛ yɛ nyinaa ɛma dodoɔ no deɛ dodoɔ bɛgye atom yɛgye to mu nea yɛse dodoɔ so sɛ wɔn mpɛ ɛno nso so yɛde to nkyɛn enti media for me the conference was a very successful one because that was the reason why you call. But people are also of the view say nneɛma bi esisi a ebia ekwan bi so no nanka yɛhwɛ ɛna ifra ne ntoma yie kakra enka ɛno nso so ebetimi aboa me ba emiti sɛ minua Mackenzie kasa in fact I listened to one of your sister stations when I was in the car as well almost the same thing ɛna nkɔfo which is the vice president ɔkasa wie a ɔkɔ round na ɔpagya ne nsa ɛde ehyeki kyerɛ party man nyinaa ma yɛbɔgye ne so ɛno nti no na ɛma ɛnam sɛ ɔyɛ former vice president na ɔdi party n'anim nso so as a flag bearer pɛn ɛno nti no ɔkɔ round no baabi oduru bia no na ɛsɛ sɛ yɛsɔre ɛma no na yɛde ani die ɛde ɛma no ɛno no ebia mentimi mfa nkɔhyɛ the management sɛ ɛyɛ party national executives ɛna ɛtena se planning sɛ ɔkɔ a na ɔkasa wia ɔnkɔnkɔ yɛ saa ni ameka no ate ase ebia ɔno nso ne style a ofo sɛ wɔwie ɛno nti ɛsɛ sɛ ɔkɔ round na ɔmo obia nso so or energize base if that is what ɛno na man yes adeɛ na in fact me personally I don't have any problem with it as we speak now asi sɛ bi a yɛkɔ yɛ nim no nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ na yɛbɛsua nneɛma bi afiri ho na yɛbɛtumi de ayɛ afutuo de ama yɛ nyinaa yɛ ho a befiri sɛ ɛbɛboa ama bibia tumi ayɛ den ato akoten ɛnɛ yɛwura general secretary ate sɛ ɔbɛkasa sisi amene kasa kura bi ogu so kasa ɛwɔ mu sister stations ni bi saa nneɛma a yɛka ho asɛm nyinaa no ɛho nkɔmmɔ ɛne ne nkyerɛkyerɛ mu ɔde ɛɛba personally I think it's quite a bit too early for us to see a bɛkɔ akɔ judge yɛn ho bi na yɛakɔ gye yɛn ho akyi nye too much me nua males yi kasa yi wakeka nsɛm bebree sɛ MPP atete apansam MPP ntete mpansam yɛ sɛ wobɛkae a 2016 yɛn ba aban mu NDC was completely worse, completely horrible party that nyemme na mekaye Yura Mahama ne bekatre yen say it was the most rubbish party uhu ya otina ponko a wo ye lame horse eso ene wo de ko all right on the kai nyemme na mekaye and boss a kire mu say in fact resources are the ma executives ni nyina national executive and constituency region so omo fanko ye adwuma nyina omo fa ni nyina omo fanko ye adwuma no enti now hwa ye ka party a atetia pansama mpa na ye NDC but they went back, they sat back, they did their homework, prepared very well and almost ba biem and omo bedi nkuguo what you say Mra omudi nkugo ni masoma yewrasi edu nketia kan den no kan o say still our party na omudi ba 2020 no was a wrong one because the chairman na ono only the party no kra no na onimodwuma chairman of SOMPA na wa bouncing obia eti ono kra as a general secretary no omo IT team omo form ye kra to collect their own election kra no was completely in shambles. Enti onu ankasa ebeba na waba bedi party nanim as a chairman evisa wonim sese onu bedi party nanim as a chairman obetimi aye adwuma no na watimi asakira mu ama niema na yeden atimi atoto so pepepe enti genuinely, when a party lose elections, what comes? Confused.com. Obia Buto, Abamubuoba, Etime MPP as a party. We are not in shambles one bit. We are in a position where we have to, like he said, go back to the drawing board and make sure we do things. Ebetimi aboy party no. Na yetimi asan I re-strategize. Na yasan ya ban full force. MPP party is the most powerful party. Ye ka party se wo Africa ha. Ye ka party sa kese miensa ye ka ho. What I say? Enti ye party no ntetem pansamwe. Ye party no egu ahomboa so to niema. Send your bay, ye nina, ya general baby, a dear coconia cabum, no idea see a footwo my nina, ampa a coye, uncle ye, yes, sir, Babet na back. Naya Saya Sheni Beam, Naya who's a quiet bang, and as I say a fast war. You bet me in your party no intact before say Yabako election 2028. And I think the problem NDC for no a war and say. Omuno adwene ne se omba confusion ya na da bia ya kon ne di ho atem na no mumu no advantage for them to be able to say omba ka say wo te ya say wo ye de wo ba begina wo say
me hwe no left
Aba Roger Mishro
Aba
Roger please
Aba you see kasa de utimi kasa no wafa ho di okay yadi nimdie o yadi nimdie ene bu o man yadi great experience ene bu o man now adwuma MPP ye adwuma MPP ye ba ye everybody knows say in this fourth republic President Kufuor nyuma wo ye na na do danko Kufuor ene ye wura ba mu adwuma mu ba ye e biti no. There's no government in this country. What me here so ampa, one district, one factory, one village, one dam, one this and that. You are the only free money man distracted. Free money because you see, when I am talking,
what make an emphatic statement? A Jumana former president in the Bay, it doesn't match.
That voted for us from the 2016 down from Mana boy, then 2020, and then going forward.
So what could you have done better then?
What I am, and media may have been very vocal about it.
So what could you have done then?
I don't shy away from it.
And never been to the ordinary Ghanaian for them to maintain.
You see, people were completely fed up with us because we were so arrogant in so many areas. And near ma sese na yetimi to ni ye ampa na yetimi dinya enema ye betimi awini Ghana don't you mama wan wini about.
Oh really?
Oh, I'm telling you the truth. Wan wini about. Ya the channel. Ya MPP for at the ade na channel said je yempa biem. That is what happened. Because look, me ni ne ba ya adwene o baby. No kind, and I'm being clear because I went.
Okay,
you see, your party structure no, a polling station, electoral area, a constituency, region, any national party no. I am telling you, obia ya way. Constituency, police stations was broke down completely. It was not working. Okay, who call electoral area and said that nana so anya juma oba region a constituency the same. You come to region the same. Even the national level, Krano, there was also problems. Okay, so what we have to do is to eat the humble pie and be honest with ourselves and tell ourselves the truth that we need to reorganize this party.
Reorganization. Do you think is geared towards a better reorganization of the party?
Well, as a matter of fact,
Now me, I was expecting say, enka date na yako she. Say yebeko akoto aba, ako yi yen
flag
bearer. That mandate is given to the National Council constitutionally. Okay, so you said date. Now, what should happen before that date? I was expecting elections. I was expecting elections,
grassroots elections
from polling station. Okay, polling station, electoral area, constituency, region, and national. That is how it's supposed to be.
And to a top bottom approach.
It is not top bottom. There's nothing at the top. There's nothing at the top.
But there are national executives.
If you go
and
national
elect,
executives there. If you go and elect your flag bearer, okay, and your top no. That top bottom no unko for that iron. Ako say the executives na wo na and unko to aba and say fanko yi empanimfo a ebeba. What I say?
I had a conversation with Boachie Jakon on this particular network. Okasa, it is total nonsense. Excuse the language, but do you agree with him?
Well, not entirely nonsense as the word he has used, that meaning of being, but in that particular order, I was expecting that whether we have to push that date back and have our normal regular elections and finish it and get the new executive as this constitutional amendments has given to us, and give everybody in this particular one to have to partake and have a say in that, because one, we are trying to avoid
form. I'll come back to you again. Form, I'll come back to you again.
You see, say a pa you bet me nunu ye ho na yasre me, I want power. Tell me, I want power, period.
Yeah.
A kwakra e be fa so e be sa power no ejina anamon a ye betu samrei enti wo say ye party no atetia pansam enom de me ne nyadwene, because we have structures that can re-amend the party going forward, because you lose your election eti echinjaba and sinuwa aba ebi num krabofu enom ni ade and check we are just 7 months away from that election, and so I believe that sempanimfo ebetia ampa de nipa dodo no kano and atia emuye.
All right,
yenhwe na say if even say National Council crown e besa akọ na wakọdwene ho yie na wahwe say ade na yesi e penkabom. So if we are penkabomu na ade a ye koye no aside the abufuo e kwa akohihye nipa bi mu a, then say your chief flag bearership election no e ko na chi na yenya kwan eto aba ni nyina yiyi obi awi ansa na yakwa akoto sa aba na. I believe say me, that is what I will support.
Okay, abushafo ndi chairman fa call 0260196064 0260196065 and omi bato me lines in too. But let's see. Mackenzie,
yes,
bato can you kakra me?
Me ka bibi kakra me onko. Mini aka bebre na mini aka say Roger can be na okasi a party na tete apansa.
Yeah.
And no cre entertain pansam ye die. Na I say ye nam sa kwan no so a ya tete apansam. No cre back untumi mane nyemienu. No cre bia no. Won say ye nunu ye ho sere na ubisa minua say na eye den na ye party no lusu poto. Na no say NDC enwe ni abawo. Na nam biza say no cre. And some non tiabem.
Oh,
NDC win
emphasis.
Okay. No, understand.
Emphasis. Not the say omo win, and I've explained it. That
no
chair because
baby or hot no man. Yeah, baby or hot now can be send me train ye.
Yeah.
I am paying the MPP for your kasa. You feel say enipa 2 million now man to abano. Omo ye yen bona fide property.
No,
No, they are not. almost decided what they want. And say, yeah, and Chiroma, the papa or mupa. This is what they will do to us. And to Omonia, ye Japadia die, and maybe I near Kofa. I see someone, and then make also ever your party, a band, Mamaya Wabem. Omokai, yeti mana. And to Yakosu, Entina media, Yako, this very election in Tamia Pepe and Wakodo. Meno, I think we are not doing them. I don't know what words should.
Which people?
I'm talking about one man to Abano. We need to answer to them. Yeah, Messiah who said, "They ain't no mama betuaba."
I was saying, "Yeah, Moody Dijao."
And then, okay. And maybe I come. I was
economy in Kuyi.
And then, no pet. And the mother be a cocosu. And a man for complaining. Head carter by ye, na ye one. A man for you may go ye, men's gold, whatever. A mom sika koka again. How are we addressing these people? We are not doing that. And we are now sitting here thinking, say, we have some group of people sitting there. Say 2028, they are sorry, copy, no more sorry, some babe to Abama.
Okay, see from my
say you be address it or situation no. Nyaba back abeka chom say ye yamfum so bi wo kwan no so. Yafum. Eno nti da me se na ye prepare say ye yi obi abedi anima. Me nwanwa say ye prepare ye hu.
Okay, Mackenzie, so ma me kwa amaro so na me ne etie for so eni nkomo kakra. Me ba number be fresh so 0260 196064 0260 196065. Electoral Ghana Yedama says Sasana Techno Spark 40 series, Time Herbal Mixture, Medima for Herbal Center, and again Lexa Company on the Yacht Toothpaste and then the brushes Abedraman. So hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me was one minute to say.
We are what they say, Akafia phobia,
Cantamanto. Yeah, Akafia phobia, Cantamanto. Hey! Me patrol. Yo, it's with you.
Yo, it's my media power for the honor. If you meet your Fake, MPP, a branch chairman, UK, on one and one pa. Now, Minister Dr. Abdan, a champion, Safia Muhammad, and Jessica African Pop. Minia, now. NDC, any part trainer, one I'm a
Roger Willis.
And about Crossing NDC.
There be Omina of a K, a MPP ni.
Oh, of a K, or a minipa, or
Unipa, and UK.
Your cassette as the Cassian lot was said that MPP.
Of a K, how can I answer me? Sorry. Mackenzie has someone okay.
No beer. We MPP. Na NDC ni now say a party be good. Now of a case a party engu. What say as some no carry there. As a namne kwem say a party be good. Not just no Congress here for you crowd as a one for.
Debut now for K. Who's a assembly or what? A bitter pill. You have to swallow it. Into a kind of natural one.
Matthias here. And you cannot just say committee no. Ya koya conference. Woman just here koya man maybe. I come on for boy abaso. Now what's up the class now what's up to the big man after one was on them. But and they have 20.
Miss what? Would you have a camera anymore? Now Mackenzie, a baby tomorrow. Now or your constituency chairman or Madina put them all.
Your baby will be a Babylon, your baby will be our. But I am a man who may be on them.
Now who's all in?
Brand, Dr. Mahmoud Baumia. Say, I'm not here or here in the Padomina. And once it's all you, they're going to back. That's a Canadian very near. They're going to obey you, baby. And brother, baby, near obey. But we are sending money more. Still, I'm not a more cheap party, more Morano.
Okay,
because nothing for you. I'm not for the MPP Nipa. Oh, that's a center. I have got more. That you have Joma, may or may I any near near leader, but you may as well.
Hello, good evening. Hello. I'm here. we will be just. Okay, but so Nipana I drop the line. You can call us now. Let's see. There's a caller here. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Me ba so wana me ne kase.
Pastor Isaac, me kase fi Kaswa.
Isaac ka kase fi Nkranza. Kaswa me da se. Ye tie wa Isaac.
Me tie wo program ne pa. Na MPP for omni NDC for nyina. Omu nim Ghana. Me na ka kire omu nim Ghana. MPP for munya golden platter. Anka yese mu breaki 8 no. Ahoya eni enibre. Otan ina ma omu lusu ye. Mahama we wini election. Muna mu jai ma wo. When mu ye campaign sebi o makoto aba obi enwini aba be di party nani ni ese mu ye nyina ne se mu ka bom na mu support nipa no mma ne ko baby a okọ ayire so afọ years obi free so ana we free so kura mutumi ne tenase ne kasa se matter we device twice abedi president once inti makwan obi so mra enti asie be ye adwuma ba mu nipa na ma campaign against him matter me na me ka kiro me friend penifo ni bi e ka kira won se hwe ne amu ye mu nko ba bia mu be lusu party na mu bi e sorry tia no omo ameto aba no nyo omo no omo ameto o amanfo the campaign di ma wo gugu omo asum obi tumi gina ho frɛ radio station bi no okasa o se o na ba omi ade se onye obi a so ye leader amu ye campaign ewo campaign ti
me ba to yere si forman right
well na NDC for no so no omo face omo anyanofo omo ye big mistake pa MPP de no kura ye
me da say so bad you ready so yeah okay hello good evening.
Hello, good evening, Prof.
Yeah, me paso wana mene kasi.
We ya wuni ya Felix Bell, ahin kwa yilo krobo.
Okay, Felix Bell, wada man patrate you?
Yo, Prof, me da se, yilo krobo fo nyina echi amu papa.
Yeah, yeah, you also.
Na micha Chairman Kanzi, ene wafaki. Se, mimi ya na odi kan kasa eno, on sege ni Chairman Kanzi yi, on sege ni mno, enu tina o kasa intimidate eno. Ose, asema, osi ya kidako saa because senior near say kono I was say you come back na you need party for any Ghana for kasa asema ho kanu o ya NPP ni ta chairman na former chairman na dino constituency chairman ene no fi afesa o kasa ma party no na unim say asema de course wo se jo ho no bibia koso kama program ni nyina nyame adum yenti asempun dia nanso no de course mera o mampeni abegete dada Dr. Mahmoud Babio kakosa wie no e wo se omra be transit na onim krana aye pre kambo no o kasa wie na o ye na adin se ko baba ko tia delegate no aka be friend ada aspirant na etifo na ka omu nyina kambo because unto na unya kwan ekasa he ada aspirant no obi anya kwan kasa enti na enkambo na ye pe no na ka ekono na ka odi afiase na ka obi ehu se enkambo na ye pe no afiase aeba na ka odi omu nyina ako around na ko omu nyina ko wuzi e friend delegate no the senior na mani ye no se always be delegate no kra no na obi jina podium so ekasa na ya mo DJ no sina se omo anyomo na enkoso oh ni ba obi aju ebe ko Dr. Mahmoud ba mi
ya to yere si form
it is a free and penny for maybe embo yo hu o we guy honorable king because akwara obewu no e 24 o se roman vote e bottom plan now we guy obewu
me da say hello good evening. But sorry, but I cut the line. 0260 1960 64 0260196065. Hello, good evening.
Evening, Prof.
Apomio Mbato, when you?
About Auntie Janet.
Hey, Auntie Janet. Yamawa Kwaba. Madam Mbato, you too, Auntie Janet.
You, maybe, this to follow. Prof. Mbato, no more. I didn't have any story, no.
Sonny.
When I a bank, I would have found it.
I'm a who?
Aha. Your mom will back at his own fan calls you. Oh, went to me and back at the now calls you. And almost said this year, young back sorry, no more. And you don't let me calls you. Ah. Oh, what's some Yamin come on. Bye
bye. Remember, also better to do a drink at the Abba 0260196064 0260196065. Also better to do a drink here. I'm a boy you ready. We have roughly about some 15 minutes to say goodbye. But let me speak to this caller right here. Hello, good evening.
Good evening,
yeah, but what's one minute can say?
But
okay, that's fine. Yet you are.
You, the chairman, yeah. The young mama. Maybe for Nakata, still alive. When a woman for me and you. Did you and I there, but what is good enough with you? Now, that you made no more in the attack and take upon. That is Muna, much or more like cancer may lose here. I just anybody anything, next to funny a country for being like Bumi about. Now, still, I have Moya illusion and no one of so. What who is that why? And why and them why it's not because the thing you will see the on here, what's the over from Ubidine? You can found your movie now. I had the hour, big do, and I say.
All right, Big Joe, but I say pass on by you. So let me talk to this caller. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening, Abuchi.
Yes, sir. Where are you,
Mr. Evans?
Mr. Evans, Okasa free.
Okasa free, Abelegbe.
Abelegbe, what am I patrioting? Why?
MPP funded no Mutihonum. Back on the day of Casano. MPP Nakasano, me who say. A more problem because the Becca before I send away Becca and Ocase. Twina neighbor. I don't be to bar, Baumia neighbor. Not just here. When I am for support in the man MPP, no, a moache. Where do we have where do we? Tana Koya ma, Omulusu, you know, yet 2024 election. Ebi Kodi, Kennedy, Ebi Kodi, we achieve. Or think Communia and Kabu no Mutiba, but 4 years and now the Anye. Young farmer will no from Tuaso. But Jacoba say, where do we be answering who I say? I will a unimuno. Memphama can say, yeah, Miakasame, me honorable. I had some George, but in Chiamano.
Okay, me that's a pass over Jumediano. So, hello, good evening.
Good evening, Prof.
We are talking with the Biakasa free.
Prof, we can't want to say.
No, we are Patana Manana Casa.
We are free from African Tamanto.
A free fan to say.
Boko, Prof. Now, so
Adomarakwa, it's you by free fan.
Why, what the kind? Family, Ginasonia.
Every fan, Mr.
Yeah, okay.
Between you and me, there's our unim. Everyone, I don't wait you.
You, Mamentia, Dr. Champon. One never be to Kakama MPP. Metia or the staff on and so. If you know for key. Now, I can't see a car cassette when you to the year. No, I said no car fine. Why MPP? The big as one MPP. The cat and walk on. Then this in a say. Separate not to say, I find numbers on the Gusu to separate someone. Not to say, oh, support to separate and to separate someone. I didn't tell you for now, Quajina. And then from Quajina, our Tony Pavia, and no winner, Sarfo conference, so we are saying, do go now, no problem, couldn't say any say. Not so have a clear radio, so Cassa, Global Canning, and Uncle Ya. I guess I will call now watching. And as I said, maybe a Bruno, maybe a Bruno, yes, yes, and Tabu. If you want to do no coffee, come here, you know, about the young couple. So the Ujian, the King, I would say, if you are no, this is young, come on, you have to know your movie here. And do what I said, yeah, also has to pass on. If you are a woman, my Catano, and Quay, because they say, can you probably be a young people, as I see a some party, and you got here soon, Nipa. Get the party, and then Nipa. So, since the Nipa would do like, you know, one on a war general, so no way.
Me that's it.
But I was running to Cacapato.
Pharmacy.
Hello, Prof.
Yeah, pharmacy.
Yes, no woman, and your one but radio as well. I don't want to private toys, you have to be white. That's a bye.
As a passer by. Hello, good evening.
Hello, Chama.
The pastor, one of the Cassie.
Nana Banqua new, Casa Free Asalaja.
Nana Banqua Asalaja. What about patriotism?
About your way,
I don't power me where part as well.
You are doing to the communion. I don't know, sending out my wife.
Amino.
MPP, that make us say, I'm not more nice than a phone here. Let me have my income burn almost a minute. In Kabum, Mangas almost a billion and Kabum. In Kabum, I said, Nancy, we and Kabum. Oh, almost somebody, a friend is or more, or we almost a giant or more Pataku. And on the drum, you say, a job who nominate Pataku. No, that make us a seminar. On the position just 7 months phone. And before to come some Saba. It's a month me and so the summer cemetery say at least be few 4 years. In the only possible. And then we are go 4 years back, Mama craft fish and to be just 4 years. And see, then I did
Mirase.
No matter say 4 years check the next anymore, 4 years radio. And then go sit up.
Mirase. Mirase pass over you radio. So hello, good evening.
Hello, Minia.
Me pa talk 1 minute ka say. But Paul, who's who kasa free?
St. John's.
Paul kasa free St. John's. Okay, yeti Paul.
Kasa me kan say. Yen MPP no, omo nya serious. MPP omo nya serious ba ko kra. Adenti na moko. Ye bi ni be si bianka, yen bank na e wo kire no. Ye beto ama no. Na mu amudi ani mu no. E si o yeti. Mama, you can be the and you know, woman years in my end, woman asking us some more. Woman years in my Ghana, one thing, one of the Ghana. You can't find it tonight. And one would get in the book of 1 year what today. I'm not getting around and years wrong. A million years. That young to me and you much. And one way last time, Mama and this before the patio, rather come away.
Radio Sonka sabre mi fa call be bio ya course na si but my member studio da men call me guest Mackenzie as a backlash about
backlash dey beba say ewia se dey nokre so ye wagen so be ka nokre a enye nipa na na bepo wasem enti media so gina na megina say ya anye ye niam yi a MPP ye ntumi nkoyanim enti Minianum a sebi kasa ye na ne menya adwen no so eye matumi akire adwen enti e do mase na mum baby amemi gina de mesi se ye party ni yie a na ye manema eye pepepe yie a party no ebekọ nanim sanso obi anim se MPP party ye nim ye na ye nso mane ye fe NDC ntumi inform on to MPP na mum se niam bi se ye kokoso na se kana se omuntia. These are some of the results that we will see. Inti yanye ye fie ye. Nemo ekwanya ye fa so elusu ye no. Yansan kọ ye chi ni yanko hwe. Baby ato form no. Yanko ni ne Ghana fo nko kasa. Se me pacho bi mpo na woma. Yempa Ghana fo chew. Na se ne asese ye pepre ye petumi ye peseya. Sabe me yaso se me ba me nka se me di obi achi. Omo mbeka say na nso say omudi we achi ana we me nkai okay na mo party ni ye enti na mekasa na mekoso wakasa meka nokre minja nokre nika yentumi nye ye fie ye because 7 months ni nia NDC 4 ye nina yentumi nka de bia no beti MPP de bia wo beti MPP
ba se bi na wo kan
na mekan entembe so ni ye pe akwa yi obi a odi ani because January na ye kono me pa ye party mpanyinfo kyɛw sɛ yɛmbɔ mmɔden na yɛnto police station aba no yɛwie yɛntumi nto electoral area so aba yɛnsan yɛnto constituency so aba yɛnto region yɛntumi nyi yɛ chairman national chairman na yɛntumi nhyehyɛ party ni yie na party ni nsan nya akɔnɔ wantwi na ɛba no deɛ menim sɛ at the end of the day MPP for yɛbɛka yɛn ho abom
alright
yɛbɛsan yɛ baako na mmom yɛbɛyɛ baako ni wie a wobɛhu anadwo 12 kra ɔhɔ a wonni atumi from tumi ni ba wie a ne mu ate ɛyɛ tumi ni apre enti na hu sɛ yɛ party no ɛna wei nama yɛpre dodo ɛna yɛ ntɛm yɛn hyehyɛ yɛ fie yie ne yɛ ne yie a ana se yɛ na ka boma
me da se Mackenzie but Roger yɛkɔ hase betwato
yeah won college no bako bi e ka sɛ MVP party no ɔmo si ɔmo peace ana mo asomdwe ne nka bom na ayɛ sɛ bie nantwi ɛyɛ ɛnyɛ sɛ bia ɔka ɛyi edi ɔmo atema na sɛ wa woni the way sit here na ɛsoro no ayɛ den but inside no confusion is in the Ghana ahyɛmu ɛyi intino saa na ɔpa kyerɛ sɛ ɔmo nunu ɔmo sere but ɛyɛ me de sɛ ebinom wɔ mu a ɔmo ka ne korɛ na ɔmo gye ne korɛ ne tum who appreciate the truth then you can work on it but when you don't recognize say baby a wo no we no party na tente apansama wo betina no asasa anyimo ye angelo ye angelo ye kenjilo anayesa na ka no
oba nya angelo
nya menim no bisa ese
nya angelo
ye
Nyajilo, nyakpe, nyafajilo, nyafakpe.
Okay, yajilo, yakpe, yajilo, yakpe, yajilo, yakpe, yakajilo, nyafakpe. O ja se, aye se musi mo ni mochi, muko mochi.
Aye.
Anami odo se ba hwem.
Obake me, obase tenisa. Okay, yes, sorry, so.
Yes, sorry, so. And Ukraine, I dear Bacon, I may pese me de a jayina. Na ye 2-1 among. If it's a national executives and me body in their casem. Me and Casaminia abronye.
Abronye DC.
Etimi. Edi yewura Canada Japan atemfiri ni tiri so abesi ne nase wrong sabi ye kura ya kan mamre mu no se yesi pani ni akwala nya asem a akwala no kura de no ye de mani difo
ofake
ade ba ko a mesre ene se sa de na abronye eye no a it seems say ye nyina ya tenase ya din na ne watwe camera si nanim edi yewura Canada Japan atem no onyai ese so ojai ese sempanimfo no timi e katre abronye se saade no is on call for ese so ojai
me ba UK branch New Patriotic Party chairman na ekasa
me na me kasa
woni ukasa on behalf of your constituency.
I am speaking on behalf of MPP UK as a chairman and I am now asking my national executives that they should stop Abronye from doing that because Ose party no edin enye onyai camera now Ose wa shed akoto si ho na yewura Canada Japan ti e na wa talk serve ade ne de si ho a odi di na tem no ene asofo atem no onyai enye eni kwase so
na wenja mo anything
ese so ojai
UK branch has action better with
ese se ojai me ne mpanimfo no na me tro dia mo ne se ade na Abronye ye no onyai because
mo national executive for the disciplinary committee to suffer and wanko.
Well, I am appealing to the national executives for them to ask Abronye to stop it. Wrong adia enye but
you feel sir
unity we can't have it that way
but of okay the course no one the crata command the oya no ye is that supposed to mean say
that is
the national is that supposed to mean say the national executives they don't have teeth to bite.
Well, but they should have a teeth to bite.
But
that is what I'm saying.
But they are not biting.
They should bite. They should stop him from doing it.
So biting us in what?
That in whichever way they will bite.
They should suspend him
to stop. They should use the constitution, or whichever way. It can be a caution. It can be stopped. If you don't stop, we are going to caution you to stop. If you don't do it, whatever has to happen to it, it should happen to him. That's all.
But would the UK branch of the New Patriotic Party issue a statement to this effect?
No, I'm not going to issue any statement. I said it clear on air, and we are seeing and I am emphatically saying Sadiano as I said, Jai, Onyai, and yet a good party anymore.
All right, so thank you so much. Quickly, call your Facebook page now. Kind messages. We thank God for the peaceful and successful delegate conference. Let's unite and work, hard work towards victory 2028. Regards to former KMA boss Honorable Sampine and Koka. Teacher Constitution Yamayasu says that kudos to NPP supporters for a successful conference. Let's rally together for 2028 and break free from the NDC's economic burdens, including the one Ghana city levy, Dumso levy on every liter of fuel. Greetings to Mr. Usu Bempa, Honorable Mavis, and Council Buedu, JFK and Koka. Co-Mensa Pillar 2 says that no matter everything, NPP would bounce back stronger in 2028. Special greetings to Hajia Safia Muhammad, next NPP National Women Organizer, Honorable Daniel Nyami, aka Obia Chairman, next Akwitia MP. Now, where Pedrowa Maldina Cruz doing the listening loud and clear inside Indianapolis, Kumasi, Tanoso, Kesben Junction, and the main location from Pedrowa Maldini Cruz. And Masaud Kumasi Bantama says that we thank God for the peaceful and successful delegate conference. Let's unite and work. I think I've read this message. And then Emmanuel Abebu also says that keep doing the good work for God and country. Abochi, watching you live from that's Czech Republic. It's your boy Abebu from Techman. All right, so thank you very much. I think I've read this one. We thank God for the peaceful and successful day that I've read this one. Ike, Ike, tell your thing. Oye Jugba, Chaleminga boy, my enkoe. This NPP. Amate Sebi says that I'm really surprised of what the NPP has turned into from number one voter, Techman. Okay, so thank you very much. And then Kwame Richie says that NPP can only win with a massive vote with the rightful candidate, which is Honorable Ken. This NDC guy should watch it. And then Barnabas, calm down for me. Barnabas Hine says that his comment is ridiculous. It might not be attractive to NPP members, but still attractive to those who voted to give him power, to give the NDC overwhelming votes. James Small, Aziba says, Maxwell says, Well, on behalf of my production crew today, led by our senior most bright entry, and then our brother Sarfo Kantanka, who did the streaming live on our social media handles, and Patrick, a member of the research team, and on my own behalf, we want to say a big thank you for making sure you tune into the program today. And to my guest, Mackenzie, double thumbs up, and then Roger Willis, I just want to say thank you to, and then the chairman UK branch, Wofake. I would really love to have enough of you over here. Thank you very much. Yes, sorry.